How to use Instagram's broadcast channel for creators. Hey everyone, in this video I'm showing you how you can easily create a Instagram broadcast channel if you are a creator. Now let's just get started. First thing first, you need to go over to Instagram. So Instagram broadcast channel is one of the powerful tools for one-to-many messaging that helps creator build a deeper and more direct connection with their followers. All you have to do here is go to the messaging section down below. Now, first, you need to make sure you have a creator account. So to ensure you have a creator account, you need to go ahead and tap on the profile icon at the bottom right. Then from there, tap on the three dots at the top right. I already have my dashboard here. So I'll show you how you can do that. Tap on the three dots. And from there, scroll down until you find account types and tools. Now you can tap on switch to professional account, keep tapping next, and select any one of your categories. Tap on switch, and you should be able to switch to a creator account from here. Now, once you've switched your account, go back to your messaging section. Now, on the top right, you can tap on that to create a new message. And if you are eligible, meaning you have enough followers, you should be able to see the option to create broadcasts from here, group chat and AI chats. You'll find an additional option for a broadcast channel. Just tap on it and you should be able to create it. You need to know that the feature is not yet available for all creators. So if you don't see it, it could be a gradual rollout. So you're just going to have to be patient with it. Then you can click on the plus icon that and find the broadcast channel here. Give your channel a name, choose its audience, and you can make it open to all of your followers, or if you want, you can also restrict it to certain groups. Then you can share your content on your broadcast channel with all of your followers. That's it for this video, guys. I hope it was helpful. Hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.